In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages here on an iPhone 13. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your device, and from here, go ahead and select the three lines up in the top right corner and select Recently Deleted from the menu that does appear. This is where you can recover any deleted text messages that happened within the last 30 days. Just select the messages you want and restore them. However, if the messages aren't showing up here or it's been more than 30 days, you may still be able to recover them through iCloud. So back out of the Messages app and go ahead and open up your settings. Select the name up at the very top and scroll down and select iCloud. And from here, scroll down to the Save to iCloud section and select Messages. Make sure that Use on this iPhone is turned on. When this option is enabled, your messages are synced with iCloud. Even if the messages are deleted from your phone, they may still be stored in your iCloud account. From here, open up any web browser and just go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and check your messages to see if the deleted texts are still available. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can retrieve deleted text messages here on an iPhone 13. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.